What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Convicted Woman Completely Loses Her Mind. Let's get into the video and see what they're talking about.
I cannot wait 15. I'm gonna be wearing the same shit.
He said,
I'm not resisting. I need my clothes.
That's silly as
Give me my clothes.
Stop.
You have the option to get in the car and leave now, or you have the option to go to jail.
I've been there before.
Okay.
Give me my stuff!
On May 31st, 2022, police in Florida responded to a disturbance involving a recently evicted woman.
So, the way it works is apparently they're not very fond of your attitude. So
I don't care because listen, I was real nice with them, and when they want to show evil, I'm gonna show evil back. You want to go low, I'm gonna go lower.
I think what you fail to realize is
no.
You have no hand here.
No, I don't have no hand, but it's my clothes, it's my stuff. I'm not gonna wear the same dirty. I'm not gonna wear the same underwear for 2 weeks. No.
So do you want to hear the solution or not?
If the solution gives me my clothes and my child clothes,
it's not gonna get it today now.
Then I'll be right here. I'm not going nowhere, officer. So I'm real sorry.
I'm going to explain it to you whether you listen or not. It's on you. They're going with the way it works is after eviction, they inventory the entire apartment.
They did that already.
Okay, they haven't done it. I just asked.
They just said that.
Okay, they have to do it. It goes to a lawyer, their lawyer. Their lawyer will then post it on the front door, and you have 15 days to do that. You can come back with us to get it at that time, but today you can't get it out of that apartment.
I cannot wait 15. I'm going to be wearing the same shit.
He said it should be a turnaround by Thursday or Friday. You'll be able to get in and get
Thursday and Friday, I'm supposed to wear the same thing until Thursday and Friday. I'm supposed to wear the same underwear Thursday.
They said they gave you a notice on Friday.
They gave me a note. Listen, if my phone wasn't dead, I will show you everything that I need to show you, officer. Literally, my phone is dead. I need my charger. I need all of that. I need my stuff.
And I get it. I asked. They just said
yo,
no,
I'm not going nowhere. I am sorry to tell you that I'm not going nowhere.
What was your first name? I'm sorry.
Tennille.
Tennille.
Yes.
Unfortunately,
I'm not going nowhere.
Trespassed. That being said,
trespass me because it's my clothes in there.
Right, but
throw my stuff out. If they will throw my shit out, I'll be fine and pick it up off the ground. No, okay, let them do the inventory and throw my shit out. Well, I will wait here till they done. I'm not leaving without my clothes. My daughter's shit is in there. All that. No, I'm not going.
I hate to be
You're not the bad person here. This is not your apartment.
No, what I'm saying is I hate to be the bad guy here.
Okay, but I'm not going nowhere.
As a cop, my only obligation is to they don't want you here. So
I don't care. It's my stuff. I will go to jail. I need my clothes. I need my daughter's clothes. I need all that. I don't know. I need my stuff. I don't care. No. When am I going to get it?
I don't know the exact
You don't even know.
Hey,
no, I'm not going to wear the same
Can I try and talk to you real quick? Hey, will you give me 30 seconds uninterrupted? 30 seconds. That's all I ask for.
Go ahead.
Okay. They have to inventory it from a legal standpoint, okay? If they don't, they can be held liable. So they inventory it, it goes up to a lawyer. The lawyer then looks over your inventory of everything that's in your house. It comes back that they can release it to you, and they said that turnaround is normally 2 to 3 days. I said, so what, Thursday, Friday, it'll be open for her to get her stuff? They said yes. So I said, come Thursday or Friday, you can come back here with an officer and get
what... They can't throw not even a
they said, hey,
outfit out for me
they said based on the way you're behaving, they don't want to let you in today.
Because I've been real nice. Listen, I've been nice with these people, and the fact that no, I'm not. Because for one, I asked them, could I get my stuff out, and they said no.
Hey,
that's when I said, okay.
Y'all you got a kid at home?
I'm gonna be like that because for one, don't nobody buy my clothes, don't nobody buy my food, don't nobody do none of that.
Nobody's saying that.
So let me be obligated to get my stuff. That is their apartment. Okay, let me get my shit out so I can leave. I know. Tennille, nothing.
Tennille, you have a kid, right? Is it?
Y'all took her.
What
you mean? Y'all took her.
Is all this shit worth going to jail over?
What the fuck? Yes, it is, because guess what? I don't have shit to fucking live for. I don't have shit. Let me get my stuff.
All right, well, we can't.
No, I'm not leaving. I don't get.
See, but this is, as much as some people may watch this and say, wow, I just really feel bad for her. She's been dealt a bad hand, blah, 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 right? Which, that's not a bad way to think. You are a good person. You're a good person for thinking like that. But let's look on the other side of it. And the other side of it would be, how do you get here? Did something traumatic happen? Or did you help yourself getting yourself into the situation to the part of, you getting your kid taken away, you getting evicted, stuff. I get it. Times are tough. I understand. I get it. But I see a car right there that she has. And look, as long as you have a car, there's plenty of ways for you to make money. I'm just saying. You got all these different sites, Uber, DoorDash, this, that, third. Like, you could deliver packages. You could do Amazon Flex. Like, there's mad different things that you can do. Even if you just want to put up on Facebook, let's say it's the weekend. Yo, I'm doing $6 taxis or something, you know, whatever. But the point being is that you get evicted because of money issues, for the most part. You got your kid taken away. Why? You know? So I feel bad that, you know, she says she has nothing to live for, but we also got to look at, how did you get here? And do you have the self-will to get yourself up out of it? Because life's about ups and downs. Life is about ups and downs. You're going to be up. There's going to be a couple years you're going to be up, and then it's going to go down. You know what I'm saying? And then you got to figure out how to get out of that rut. And everybody's down is a little bit different. Not saying you're going to be down and homeless or whatever, but, you know, you could take a couple losses, lose a couple family members that's close. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, you know, your business is failing or whatever. You know, something is happening. But life is a roller coaster. And I know for the older people that watch me, because my demographic is between 24 and 44 for the most part. You know, for the older ones that watch me, you know, y'all in your 30s and 40s, you know, throughout your life, you've had ups and downs. It hasn't just all been up. So, all right.
The fuck, bro? I'm not leaving. Let me get my stuff. Let me get my daughter clothes.
Please do the right thing.
No, and you're not finna touch me either, because guess what?
Hey.
What?
Tennille, stop.
No.
Stop. Tennille, stop. Tennille, don't resist.
I'm not resisting. I need my clothes.
That's silly as fuck.
Give me my clothes.
Stop.
You can't right now.
Give me my clothes.
We cannot.
Give me my clothes.
You just choose to leave.
Can I get my clothes?
You cannot.
I have nothing to wear. Let go of me.
We're 10-4.
I have nothing to wear. Let go of me.
Yeah, I did.
Hey. Are you
We're
gonna go?
work with you, but
No, I don't have shit to wear. Give me my clothes. Fuck. Give me my fucking clothes. Damn. Give me my stuff.
We cannot.
Yes, you can. This is my stuff. Yes, you can.
We legally
Give
can't
me
go
my
in
stuff.
there.
My daughter's shit is in there. All that. Give me my stuff.
Don't make us
They
take
should
you to
have
jail
been.
on
I
this
believe
sort of
they could have been nice enough and be like, okay. When I asked real nicely, they could have said, yeah, this is what you want to see. Well, this is what you gonna get.
This is the attitude that
I don't
made
care.
it so you
I don't
can't
care.
go in there.
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
I have real animosity built up. Yes.
Are you gonna leave the
No,
property?
no.
Okay.
I need my clothes.
Well, you're not
I don't
getting your
have
clothes
shit to
today.
wear. I'm not finna wear this same clothes until Thursday.
please leave.
Are you gonna give me some clothes until Thursday?
I don't.
Are you finna give me some clothes till Thursday?
I don't think my clothes fit you.
Okay.
So
therefore,
I can't give you this opportunity to leave and regroup.
I need my clothes.
Thursday or Friday?
So what am I supposed to wear? When I have my food in there, all of that shit. What the hell?
I can't answer that.
No,
for you, but
okay,
it
so
ain't
what are
worth
you
going
supposed to
jail
do?
over.
Shit, you could wear an orange jumpsuit. They'll give you a couple pairs of underwear, a bra. Yeah, I think that's where we're headed. Because if you think you're having money issues now, imagine trying to bond out.
It's because it's my stuff.
And you're gonna get it Thursday or
It's
Friday.
Thursday, but so I'm supposed to be starving and have the same shit on,
So you're gonna go sit
especially
in,
the same underwear on.
so you're gonna go
until
sit in jail
Thursday.
and have to spend money to bail out and waste that money when you could go use it to buy clothes and
Use it to what?
groceries?
Use it what you mean. You let me get my clothes and I'll love to leave.
We literally
I would
cannot.
love
You don't
to.
have the
Well, when they
ability
do
to
the
do that.
inventory, I'll leave and get my
That's
clothes.
not
That's
our
in a few
option.
days.
Well, I'll be standing right here for a few days.
It's literally not our option.
I'll be right here.
Tennille, please leave.
I
Please take this
need
opportunity
my
to leave.
clothes.
Like, we hate to be the bad guy, but
You don't have to
tying
be.
our hands.
You don't have to.
We do have to.
No, you
I have an
don't.
obligation.
Well, and I'm
everybody.
obligated to get my stuff. It's my
Right,
clothes.
just
I
not
bought
today.
those things. So I'm not gonna
They're not
wait
keeping
Wednesday,
it from you,
Thursday,
though.
Friday. I have nothing to wear. I don't care about going into that crib, bro. I have somewhere else to go, and I need to get my shit
So
to
can
go.
you go there for now?
No, because I have nothing to go to. What you mean? This charger right here don't even work. My phone is dead. All of that's inside. Literally, I need my stuff, man. You guys don't understand. You're not understanding.
We just have no.
Okay, can you go in there and get my stuff? Go in there and get my charger. Go in there and get my charger and my stuff. Okay? Go do that. If you can do that, go do that. And bring it right here. Bring it right
What
here.
I'm saying is we don't have the
Well,
authority.
I don't care what you're talking about. I'm sorry. I
You
don't
want to
care.
give the official notice? Look, this is us last time telling you,
Yes.
trespass from the property in the event that you don't leave, you're
I'm
going
not
to jail.
trespassing because my stuff is still in there.
That doesn't
That doesn't
make
work.
it. That doesn't
We've
mean
been
you're not
trying to be nice,
trespassing.
but literally,
I've
this
been
is-
trying to be
this
nice
is the
too.
last time I'm going to tell you.
Okay, that's fine.
You either have the option to get in the car and leave now, or you have the option to go to jail.
I've been there before.
Okay.
Oh, you think it's a joke?
Hey, stop.
Think it's a joke?
Stop resisting.
Not a
I'm
joke.
resisting. Y'all
You're
touching me.
hands
More
go.
charges.
For what?
For resisting.
I'm not resisting. Let go.
Stop.
I am not resisting. Let go. Let go. Let go then.
We're turn.
Let go.
Stop.
You're hurting me, so let go.
Let go of
No.
your shirt.
Come on. Stop.
Stop. You're acting like a
I
fool,
don't care
yo.
because give me my stuff. Give me my stuff. Give me my stuff. I'm not your daughter. Let me go. Let me go. Ah! Ouch! Ah! Let me go. Let me go.
God damn.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.